Now there is a new AI tool that will automatically turn your long form videos into reels. It'll even add captions and turn your static images into videos and more. Now this AI is called Vadoo AI, and I'll be doing a review and demo to show you how it works. Now, if you are on the hunt for the best SaaS tools to grow your business, I've been compiling my favorite and most recommended tools inside this Notion spreadsheet. Now, I update this constantly, and if you want access to this for free, just click the link in my description. Now, instead of spending between $19 to $69 on Vadoo AI, you could actually take advantage of the lifetime deal that is on Appsumo. Now, Vadoo AI starts at $79 for license Tier 1. You get 500 credits per month, 10 gigabytes of storage, and also all of these features. You can also add your own 11 Labs key. Now, if you want more credits per month and higher storage, you can go for a higher tier. And the highest one they have is Tier 5, where you get 6,000 credits per month and 120 gigabytes of storage. And keep in mind that this lifetime deal gives you access to all future Pro Plan updates. Now, I don't know of any other AI tool that's similar to Vadoo AI simply because it has 6 tools in one. There are many tools out there that do some of these features, but not everything. So I think this is what makes Vadoo AI very unique. One of the tools I really like is their AI captions tool, and it's very similar to Submagic. You can add captions to any video, so you first need to upload a new video. So I'm going to drop this video that I just recorded and click on upload. Now it's uploading my video. Okay, so it is done uploading, and now we can edit it. So this layout is very similar to Submagic. So you can choose from a variety of themes. So this is essentially how your captions will look like. So you can do a Hormozy style. There's also Mr. Beast, Tracy, Carl, Devin. Now I really like this Dan theme. So whenever you click on a theme, you can click on play to preview it. So let me preview this. Here's the #1 reason why your videos are not getting any views and how to fix it fast. And you can edit the theme even further. So you can change the font, the color of the text, the size, the position, the shadow, the stroke, so on and so forth. Now this theme automatically comes with auto emojis, as you can kind of see in the example. Now if you don't want the auto emojis, just click on none and then it'll go away. But I like it, so I'm gonna click on auto. And these are the general settings as well, so you can make your text smaller. Let me make it a little smaller, and for the Y position, I'm gonna make it a little bit lower like this. And we can click on this eye icon to show the safe zone, okay? So you wanna make sure that none of your content is being blocked by any of the text on the bottom and the right corner. So after you choose your theme, then you can edit the captions. So these are the captions that Vadoo AI automatically generated for me. And go through here and fix any words or misspellings that the AI might have made. And then if you click on any word, you can add another word or remove this specific word. You can also add audio to it as well. So if you click on this icon here, you can choose from these various audios, reduce or increase the sound, and even add more or remove the audio if you've already added one. So since this is my first sentence, the first second of the video, let's just say I want to do, let's just preview this one. Okay, pop, ding. Let's just do click. So I'm gonna click on click, and then we can preview it. So let me click on play. Okay, so for whatever reason, it is not previewing. Let me go back to styles. Okay, so I think there is a tiny bug there where the preview is not playing, but that's okay. And let's go to B-rolls. So this is where we can overlay additional images or video onto my own reel. So for this first part here, I can click on this plus icon, and then I can do maybe for my original video, add a transition, like maybe a a film burn or this type of film burn. Now, if I click on apply and click on play, now we can preview it. Okay, so I'm clicking on play, but it is not previewing. Let's see. Let me refresh this. Let's see if that fixes things. Let me click on play.
Here's the #1 reason why your videos are not getting any.
Okay, now it works. So you just had to refresh the page. Let me go back to B-rolls and click on here. Let's do zoom fast. Click on apply. Let's preview it.
Here's the #1 reason why your video.
Okay, I think that's pretty cool. Now, if we click on it again, you can choose a B-roll, right? Now, let's do that for this second one. So I'm gonna click on B-roll, click on this video icon, and we can choose from various stock videos or upload your own videos. Now let's take a look at the caption. So it's why your videos are not. So let's see, let's type in video recording. Okay, this one might work, but let's load more. Let's see here. Let's do this one here, okay? And then click on apply. Okay, so this is my B-roll, and then we can even do a transition. Let's do the film burn, click on apply, and let's preview it.
Why your videos are not getting any.
Okay, so that is the B-roll with that transition. So let me go back and play the first few seconds.
Here's the #1 reason why your videos are not getting any views.
Okay, so that is how you add B-rolls. And you can also do an AI B-rolls feature as well, where the tool will automatically add B-rolls. So let's try that out. Let's click on AI B-rolls. Let's wait a few moments here. Okay, so it automatically added all of these B-rolls. Let's quickly play it.
Here's the #1 reason why your videos are not getting any views and how to fix it fast. So people think your content is boring and it doesn't get to the point. So fix it by cutting.
Okay, so I think the B-rolls are just okay. I feel like it is limited to what is available on whatever source they are pulling from, right? So I'm not exactly sure where they are pulling these stock videos. It might be from Pexels or another source. So I think the AI is limited in whatever creatives is available for free. So if it were me, I probably wouldn't do the AI B-rolls and I would just manually add them myself. And then say, for example, if you think these B-rolls are just too much, you can click on this icon and then choose the percentage of B-rolls. So if you want very few B-rolls, or if you want the entire video to be B-rolls, you can do 100 as well. Now, one thing I wish Vadoo AI has is the undo button, right? So I can't undo what I added here. Say, for example, I don't want any of these AI B-rolls. I think I would just need to click onto the video, and I'm not exactly sure how to delete, but okay, yeah, just click on original and click on apply. So that should remove that B-roll. So let me quickly play it.
Even parts that you think are valuable, the more you.
Okay, yeah, so I would just need to go in here to remove the B-roll, just click on original and click on apply. Okay, so let's click on the next part, which is the music. So you can add background music to this reel if you want. You can also upload any files from your computer. There's also premium music as well. Now I'm noticing that this list of music is essentially the same as what you see here. So I'm not sure what the difference is. Now let's preview some. Okay, I think this Blade Runner is very trendy on TikTok. So I'm just gonna click on that one. And let's reduce the noise to, let's just say 10. Let's preview it.
Why your videos are not getting.
Okay, that's a little, still too loud. I'm just gonna do 5%.
Any views and how to fix.
Okay, so I think that's much better. By the way, you can also increase or decrease the speed of your video by moving this left or right. Then for social, this one is pretty cool because it automatically creates a title, description, tags, hashtags for you. You can also add your own logo and branding if you want. Now, all of this is perfect for YouTube. So when you upload this to YouTube, it'll have all of these optimized elements already. We can also change the dimensions. So this is the original that I have, 9:16. There's also grand portrait. So I think, okay, so yeah, 9:16. Not sure why it's called grand portrait, but this one is portrait 4:5, square, landscape, and original 9:16. Same thing. And then once you are done, we can share it, copy the link, and then share it with anyone. Now, let me click on the back button. Okay, so we can save it onto our account, and then we can export it. So we can download it, post it to YouTube, or publish to the public feed. So when you publish it to the feed, it'll essentially be accessible by anyone who has a Vadoo AI account, okay? So we can publish it to the feed, post it to YouTube. Let me click on download and I'll show you how the entire video looks like. Okay, so it is done downloading. Now let me preview it for you.
Here's the #1 reason why your videos are not getting any views and how to fix it fast. So people think your content is boring and it doesn't get to the point. So fix it by cutting. So cut out silences, even parts that you think are valuable. The more you cut before you publish, the higher your chance you will get more views.
Okay, so that's my entire video. Now, one thing I wish this tool had was the ability to kind of cut parts of the video, right? So at the end of the video, I kind of was trying to end the recording. So I wish there was a way to, kind of cut that manually. And if you have various projects and you want to organize your content into folders, you can create a new folder. And this one that we just created, we can move it to our content machine folder, then click on move, and then now it is in this folder. We can use Vadoo AI to create an AI story. So it can generate an AI video from text, from a blog, or from audio. So I'm going to turn a blog into a video. So I'm just going to click onto one of the blog articles from the Vadoo.tv website, then click on blog to video, then paste the URL right here. And then we need to select voices. You can sort by accent, ages, and also genders. So let's just say we want an American accent and we want, middle-aged. And for gender, let's just do male. And these are all of the American middle-aged male voices. Let's preview this one.
I believe that we are fundamentally the same and have this.
Okay, so let's try Clyde.
I'd rather regret the things that I...
Okay, I don't like that one. How about Paul?
If you do what you've always done.
Okay, let's do Paul, and then click on submit. And then video language, and there's a variety of languages you can select. And the duration, let's do 30 to 60 seconds. And here is where we choose the style of the AI video. Let's do neon punk. And then the aspect ratio can be vertical, horizontal, or square. And then for select destination, you can choose only email here. And if you are wondering how many credits this will consume, it'll say it right here. Estimated cost is 50 credits. Now let's generate script. Okay, so this is the script that the AI generated. We can regenerate it or proceed. So I'm going to click on proceed. So generating video, you may close the page. Okay, so it is done. And now we follow that same process of choosing the theme, updating the captions, adding any B-roll, music, and also the social elements as well. Now let's preview this.
Did you know AI is taking over YouTube? In 2025, creators are cashing in on high-demand niches. Imagine faceless channels generating income without ever showing your face. AI tools are automating video production. It's like having a 24/7 content machine. Now, how about AI in finance?
Okay, so not too bad. We can get a share link, we can save it, and then we can also download it to our computer, post it to YouTube, or publish it to the public feed inside Vadoo AI. And if you have a long form video, you can use the AI cut feature to turn it into shorts. So to do that, we can drop a link here. So this is one of my long form YouTube videos that I created recently. Then click on submit, then click on get clips. Now it's uploading my video and now it's generating clips and we can close the page. Let's just give it a few moments. Okay, so that took about, I would say, 5 or so minutes. And keep in mind that my long form YouTube video was 15 or so minutes. Okay, so it generated all of these short videos, they call them highlights, and it generated a total of 19 highlights or short videos. They even give you a viral score for each one, and you can also read the transcript of the video. Now let's preview a couple of them. Let's try this one. Delete the knowledge as well. Now in terms of the chunks, like say for example, let's click into this link. Okay, let's try this one. So let's edit it. So I'm going to click on edit for this studio. And so this is kind of like the home page. Okay, so I think, what they clipped, I think could be better. It could just be my video. It's kind of like a demo review video of Pickaxe, which is another tool. But let's just say we want to use this one. So we click on create short, generating short video. You may close the window. So let's give it a few moments. Okay, so it's been a little while now. I can't scroll. It just has this loading pop-up. So let me refresh and see what happens. Okay, so I think it's right here. So let me click into that. And now we can edit the video. Now on the right-hand side, it looks like the video is still rendering. I believe it is that short clip that we selected. So I'm gonna wait a few additional moments and see if this fully renders, and then we can continue on. Okay, actually it's right here. Okay, so let me preview it and let me show you how it looks like. Okay, so this is my studio. Yep, that's the video. So yeah, it's a little quirkiness as you saw earlier. So we can edit the style, captions, B-rolls, add background music, and then this is the social elements as well. And then for the dimensions, there's the 19 by 34. I haven't heard of that dimension before, but I guess that's the original. There's also landscape, 16 by 9, square, portrait, and grand portrait. Now, one thing I wish they offered was, say for example, the portrait or the grand portrait. I wish I could view the entire YouTube video. Now this original video is the 16 by 9, right? It's kind of like this dimension, but I wish I could view the entire video in grand portrait mode if they added the black part on top and also on the bottom. Okay, so that's one thing I wish they added, because right now I could only view a portion of the actual video. Okay, so let me play it. This is my main heading here, and you can add additional content if you want, then click on try it out. Okay, so these are my 3 chat. Okay, so you can see the viewer can't really see exactly what's going on. So just make sure the long form video that you upload will look good in this different format if you are going to do like the grand portrait or the portrait dimension, okay? Okay, now that I'm looking at all of my files, I really wish they kind of renamed the files better instead of just having these string of numbers here. You have this view, and if you click here, you can view it in this list format, but taking a look at this list format doesn't really help too much either. I kind of like this view because you could view the preview icons better. Now let's go to fake text. So we can create this kind of fake text video, okay? So to start, you can, enter your name and then the receiver text and then the sender text. So you could use the AI script, choose story topic, maybe a breakup, language, click on generate script, and then it'll generate the text script for you. Okay, so we have the sender and receiver, and it's all about a breakup. You can also click on sample data as well. So this is just sample data that it automatically populates. And for each one, you can select if it's a text, if it's an image you want it to show, RizApp, not exactly sure what RizApp is, Cantina app, but anyways, I'm gonna go back to text. Alignment, the sounds, you can choose from these sounds here. So whenever the message pops up, the sound will appear. And then emphasize, okay? So you can transform the text to uppercase to make the voice louder when passing it to the 11 Labs API. So we can click to toggle that on. We can also add additional text or delete it. And then the next step is the chat screen. So we can choose from these various themes. Let's just do maybe Instagram Lite. And for background videos, you can actually create a background video. So you can choose from these ones here, or you can upload your own background video. Let's just click on Minecraft. And for voices, you could actually have a voice that speaks for the sender and the receiver. So for the left speaker, let's just do Onyx. And for the right speaker, let's do this one. Click on Submit. And we can click on Generate Video. Now keep in mind that the estimated cost is 50 credits. So let me click on Generate Video. So fake text video is getting generated. You may leave the page. All right, so it is just about done. I'm gonna have the video preview finish rendering. Okay, so let's preview it.
Hi, did you know that the first French fries weren't actually cooked in France?
Really? Where were they cooked then?
They were cooked in Greece.
Oh, you! Always cracking jokes. So how was your day?
Well, I was supposed to do a lot of work.
Okay, so that is your AI text style video that maybe you can post organically or use as an ad. Now let's click on AI podcast. So you can generate a podcast from a page URL, from a PDF, or from text that you paste into this box. Now let's create a podcast from a page URL. So let's go back to this blog article from Vadoo.tv and paste the page URL right here. And for the host name, let's just type in John. The host voice, let's do Drew. Click on Submit. And for the guest name, let's just say Jenny. And guest voice, let's do Alice. Click on Submit. And duration, we can choose between 1 to 2 minutes up to 7 to 10 minutes. Let's do 1 to 2 minutes, language preferences, and the tone preference. So let's just do, there's only 2 here. So let's just do fun and then click on generate podcast. Okay, so from that blog article, it generated the script for us. So we can review it, make some edits. If all looks good, we can click on proceed. Now the podcast is getting generated. You may leave the page. All right, so now we are in the next step where we can edit it. Now, one other quirk I'm noticing is that you see the UI, it turns to the light version of the UI. So sometimes it switches between the light version and the dark version. So that's one thing I'm noticing here. And here is the podcast. So let me quickly play it.
Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the future of YouTube.
Absolutely, John. We're looking at AI niches that can boom in 2025.
Right. AI is reshaping how...
All right, and then we can edit the style by clicking on Edit Style. So they have these various templates here. So maybe we want something like this style. And then for the design, we can add our title name right here. We can add a banner. Let's go to free images and let's just say we want something that looks like money. Let's just do this one, click on apply, background color, title color, and then the social URL. All right, so this is our preview on the right-hand side. Now, one thing I'm noticing is that if the title is too long, it'll overlap as you could see right here. Okay, now let me just preview that for you.
Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the future of YouTube.
Absolutely, John.
All right, so let me make that a little shorter. So profitable AI niches. Okay, I guess that's better, but I don't really like how it's positioned on the video here, kind of like on the right-hand side.
Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving in.
Okay, so once we are done, I guess we could go back and now we can maybe move the Y position lower so like that we can actually view the title, but we can turn on the safe zone just to make sure it's not blocking anything. But as you can see, the title is kind of underneath the icons on the right hand side, so just keep that in mind. You might not want a title. And lastly, I want to show you the AI video. Now this one is pretty cool, all right? So this is the AI video generation tool. So we can turn any image into kind of like a short GIF or short video. So we need to upload our image. I already uploaded this one, but I'm going to upload another one. I'm going to do this purple butterfly. Click on apply. Okay, now we need to enter our prompt. So for this one, I want to say, the butterfly wings are flapping up and down. You can choose the aspect ratio and the duration. So for this, you only have the option of choosing between 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Then click on generate. Okay, so the video generation is in progress. All right, now as you can see, it turns back into the light UI. So just a little quirky there. So this is our prompt and this is the image. Now let's play our short video. Okay, so you can see everything is animated. The butterfly is moving, but I don't think the wings are really flapping up and down. It's kind of just, you know, shaking there on that kind of flower thing with the background moving as well. But I think it looks cool, right? It's eye-catchy. So you can like it. Not sure exactly how this works, but you can like it, you can share it, download it, or publish it. Now, when it comes to publishing it, it will publish to the public Vadoo AI stream. And let me show you how that looks like. So I'm going to go back here and now I'm going to click on Discover. And here is the Discover feed. So these are all of the videos that other Vadoo AI creators have made public. So these two butterfly short videos I created. So let's click on the one that we just created and then you can see it right here. And then I did favorite it. This is another one that I created. And then you can preview the other users' creations as well. Now on the left-hand side, we can view our calendar. So for our calendar, this is kind of like our publishing calendar. So you can actually connect your YouTube account, okay? So right now I connected my YouTube account. For TikTok, it's actually coming soon. So as of this recording, you can only connect your YouTube and publish to your YouTube. So let me go back to projects and let me click onto one of my videos. So I'm gonna do this one. So again, I really wish there was a way to, I guess, have the AI create a title for it or just name it in a better way so I know what the video is, right? So this one just says raw video, but if I click onto it and click on export, post to YouTube, we can update the description details here and click on proceed. And then YouTube video scheduled to publish. And let me check my content machine folder. So not exactly sure if it published. I did check my YouTube. Okay, so it actually is in my YouTube. So this is the video. It came directly from Vadoo AI, and then we can preview it.
Number one reason why your videos are not getting any views.
Okay, and all of the information is populated here as well. Okay, so I think it just needed a few moments to upload. But when I refresh my calendar, not exactly sure what I should be seeing in this calendar. So that was Vadoo AI. So a very, very powerful tool. Now, as you could see in my review, there were a few glitches, a little quirkiness here and there. I've been communicating with the founder and they're very easy to talk to and they are open to any suggestions and any bug fixes as well. So I really hope as the tool matures, all of these bugs get squashed and the tool gets even better and better. Now, if you're interested in my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs, Notion spreadsheet, click the link in my description to grab this free spreadsheet for free. Now, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by smashing that like button, subscribing to my channel, and if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thank you.